Hey, John at Agile Offroad. Want to show you the new AirLYNX by Apex. And these are specifically made for Agile Offroad. They're to replace the links on this four-wheel drive sprinters and the all-wheel drive sprinters, 2500s and 3500s. Basically what this does, this eliminates the solid bar, and we're going to put in a shock. The shock in here has an adjustable air pressure in there. What that allows us to do is soften the bar rate. You can soften this at ride height, and you'll notice at ride height when you're going over potholes, things like this, you get a little bit of give. So there's two ways of doing this. You can set this all the way anywhere from 0 to 300. One way is to set it at a higher pressure so that it's fairly firm, and then when you go off-road you can depressurize it all the way to 0. Another option is just to kind of set it and forget it. And that's what I would recommend a lot of people do. I run mine pretty low. I run mine at about 50 to 75 pounds. And so that bar is always moving. I like that little bit to ride both on and off road. Now keep in mind, even if you're at a 300-degree pressure in this, which is the maximum, when you're off-road, the air pressure will still be compressed under that full articulation. It's fairly easy to adjust it. You're going to use the shock. We do supply this shock in the kit. It will have a special chuck that allows you to thread it on there. And you just pump it up to the PSI that you want. There's a little release button on here that allows you to drop the pressure as needed, and just watch it on the gauge. And again, you can go as low as 0 and as much as 300 PSI. So I've been running these for about 8 months now. They work extremely, extremely well. They work really, really well paired with the Agile rib. As you know, we remove the rear spacer and we don't run add-a-leafs in the rear, and that enables us to get the center line of the rear axle closer to the center line of the rear spring, which also gives us a much better handling and cornering than any of the other kits out there. Complement your suspension with this. You can do the set and forget feature, or you can do your adjustment. I've been cheating with this. I've had these for 8 months now, and they work extremely, extremely well.